Hello students, I was teaching you reports in MS Excel. So in this topic we need to study three basic subtopics, that is creating a report, printing a report, formatting a report. You can see I have made a dialog box here. The dialog box contain all the reports, all the views of reports. Means you need to go to the view icon, then when you will click on view, then you will get these many reports, these many views like report view, print preview, layout view, design view. I have told you about all the views, what are the use of these views. So now I will be teaching about what are the steps to create a report. So here you can see we have the steps given. In step 1, we need to go on create tab, we need to click on report, and then we need to click on any of the view. Means you can go on layout or design or page, and you need to click on save. Afterwards, when you will make a report, it will be generated like this. Okay, now formatting means you want to change the color design of your report. So this is formatting means using design option you can change the format features of the report. What are the format feature? You can change the font, color, text of the report. Now printing report. Now you have prepared all the report. Now you need to print your report. हमने report prepare कर लिया, now हमें उसका print out चाहिए. So you will go on view में design tab में जाएंगे. design tab में print preview आएगा. print preview में आप उसका size, margin और orientation set कर सकते हैं. फिर आप प्रिंट ऑप्शन करेंगे तो जो वो फाइनल रिपोर्ट आएगा वो इस फॉर्म में आएगा. एंड आप जब उसको ओके क्लिक करेंगे तो वो ये वाला रिपोर्ट प्रिंट हो जाएगा. बट यू शुड हैव अ प्रिंटर कनेक्टेड विथ योर कंप्यूटर. सो दीज आर reports in MS Excel and how to create a report, print a report and format a report. Thank you very much.